guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time to go over the must-do deals for CVS next week. It is a little bit of a slower week, but there are still some great deals and savings to take advantage of. And I'll give you guys a scenario to use that 3 off of 15 laundry care CRT that I had posted on my community tab to see who had gotten that. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and that notification bell. I will be doing a huge giveaway with multiple winners when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you have that notification bell clicked, then when I do post those giveaway videos, you guys will be notified so you can enter and see if you'll be the lucky winner. So it is a slower week. It is only a 7-page ad because it's right before Memorial Day and it's going to be the last week of the month. So the following week, so not next week, but the first week of June is going to be a ton of deals going on. So I want to dive into these deals and share with you guys another beauty bag scenario for how you can get the beauty bag very, very cheap. So this is the scenario I came up with using that 3 off of 15 laundry care CRT. I didn't use it last week because there were no extra buck deals or anything, so I wanted to use it this week. So Tide as well as Bounty and Dawn are all on sale for $5 each. And when you spend $15, you'll get $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So I have to check the coupon limits. What I'm thinking you can do is get 3 of the Tide Pods. They're $5 each. Then you can use a $2 Tide Pod Digital, a $2 Tide Pod coupon from the PG Insert, and then possibly also use a printable one from pgeveryday.com. I just have to check the coupon limits. I haven't printed from them in quite a while because I just got my new printer and I just got it up and running. Then you'll use the 3 off of 15 laundry CRT. If we're able to use all of these coupons, you'll pay $6. Get back a $3 extra buck, so final cost is going to be just $1 per bag of Tide Pods, which is absolutely amazing. Even without that $2, your final cost would be $1.66 per bag, which is still some really great savings for Tide Pods. Another fun little deal is going to be on some Reese's Take 5. It's just different Hershey's singles. So typically they're $1.29 each. Next week, they're on sale 2 for $2, and when you buy 2, you get $1 extra back. So final cost is going to be just 50 cents per candy bar, which is always nice to stock up, have some in the house whenever you're having a sweet tooth. Hair care deals. So this one confused me a little bit. It says buy one, get one 40% off, but then it shows the Pantene is 3 for $15 and the Head and Shoulders are 2 for $12. So based on the pricing that I have here, we'll have to see on Sunday when I do my haul. I'll scan them, see if there's maybe different pricing, because it does say Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essences, Aussie, and Pantene select products are buy one, get one 40% off. So we will have to see. But the way this is listed, they are buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, and the larger Pantenes are 3 for $15. So what you would do is use a 4 off of 3 Pantene digital coupon, a 4 off of 14 Pantene hair care CRT. Then you'll pay $7, get back a $5 extra buck. So final cost is going to be just 66 cents per bottle of shampoo. And these are going to be the big 20-ounce shampoos and conditioners, which is great. It will also track towards, of course, CVS Beauty. Speed Stick deodorant is finally back again for a great deal. If you guys have any deodorant CRTs, Speed Stick CRTs, anything like that, you're definitely going to want to use it in this transaction. So they're buy one, get one half off, and buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So my store, I believe they're $2.99. So the second one would be $1.49. You'll use 2 50-cent coupons that are printable from speedstick.com. Then if you have a 2 off of 2 deodorant CRT, you're going to want to use that as well. You'll pay $1.89, get back a $2 extra buck, so final cost is free and an 11-cent moneymaker. If you don't have the 2 off of 2, it's still going to be a decent deal. Final cost would be about $1.89 for both of them, so just keep that in mind. Okay, CoverGirl. So You can do CoverGirl as part of the beauty bag scenario. I do have that after this, so stay tuned if you are trying to get a good scenario, if you want to stock up on that beauty bag. I got one last week. I thought the beauty bag was a really good quality. It was super cute, and I thought the products inside were nice as well. So what you can do if you're just doing CoverGirl separate is they're on sale, buy two, get a $6 extra back. So you would pick up a Perfect Point eyeliner at $8.29 and a CoverGirl Professionals mascara at $6.79. Now, the reason why I wanted to hit $15 is because I have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. Then you'll use two $3 CoverGirl eye manufacturer coupons from the 510 Smart Source insert. You'll pay $6.08, get back $6, so final cost is 8 cents for both, or practically free. Okay, so now for the beauty bag deal. So the CRTs that I keep trying to add aren't working. I'm not sure what is going on. Some of you guys are commenting that you've been using spend amount CRTs and you've been getting the beauty bag fine. Some of you have been commenting that it hasn't been working. So not really sure, but this is going to be a scenario not using any spend amount CRTs. So no 3 off of 12 cosmetic, 3 off of 15 CoverGirl, nothing like that. So what you would do is the CoverGirl deal again, but this time you'd buy two CoverGirl brow pencils. They're $5.99 each. Two Almay eye makeup remover wipes, $6.59 each. And one Revlon Color Stay Concealer at $12.49. That'll get you over the $30 threshold. So your total cost would be $38.05. These are the coupons you're going to want to use. A $2 Revlon face coupon from the 517 Smart Source. Two of those $3 CoverGirl eye coupons. A 3 off of 2 Almay coupon for the makeup remover wipes. And a $3 Almay CRT if you have it. Then, of course, that beauty bag instant coupon that's going to print at the red box. Here is the final breakdown. The coupons are $14. You'll pay $24.05 out of pocket. You'll get back a $4 extra buck for the Revlon, $4 extra buck for the Almay, and a $6 extra buck for the CoverGirl. Now, because you're spending over $30 in beauty, you're going to get another $3 beauty back. So your final cost after all the extra bucks back is $7.05 for 5 items and a free beauty bag, which is an 8-piece beauty bag. So the final cost would be just $1.41 each for the makeup items, and then of course you have that free beauty bag, which I think is a pretty good deal doing it this way. You're only spending $7.05. That's not a bad deal for some nice makeup products and of course that beauty bag. If you guys have any questions or another great scenario for the beauty bag, definitely drop it in the comments. Let's share as many deals and ideas with each other as possible. That way you guys can pick whichever deal works best for you and be able to stock up on the beauty bag before it disappears. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you in the next video.